Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Expedition, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first open the hood, and then towards the driver's side you should see this dipstick here. This is where you check your oil from. So you pull it all the way out, and then wipe the end clean with a good rag or paper towel. And then you'd stick it all the way back in that same hole. A little quicker with two hands. So all the way in, and then you pull it all the way back out. And then at this point, see these little dots here. You'd see if the oil level is on that dot on the left, that's your full mark. And the dot on the right is your low. So really the closer you get to the right now, the lower your oil's getting. So if you're pretty close or on that dot on the right, then you're going to want to add some oil, which stick this back in. And this will be where you add your oil to. And all this you want to do while the motor's turned off, including this dipstick check. But make sure you've got the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand of oil you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But to add, you'll just unscrew this, and either straight from your quart jug or with a funnel, just add as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. But once you've filled up, just screw this back nice and tight. And then I would start the motor for like 10 seconds, 5 seconds or so, just to get that new oil to circulate. Turn the vehicle off, and then repeat the process in the very beginning with this dipstick to see if we're at the full mark now. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of your regular oil changes, which dependent on engine mileage, type of motor, type of oil. Usually between 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so between each oil change. Which of those typically you would just go under the vehicle. Sometimes with the vehicle on a slight lift, you can get to the oil pan. You'll unscrew the drain plug to drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw that plug back in nice and tight, and then up here you'd add all the oil recommended for your particular motor. Screw this on nice and tight, and then again start the motor for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil. Turn the engine off again, and then double check again like we did in the very beginning with that dipstick to see if we're full now. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a good day.